In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add options chart in TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll have an options chart for a specific stock displayed in TradingView, using your chosen expiration date and strike. First, open TradingView. If you're in a web browser, go to tradingview.com and wait for the home page to load. You can also open the TradingView desktop app if you use it. Give the page a moment so all menus and tabs appear properly. Next, search for your stock symbol. Move to the search bar at the top and type the ticker you want, for example, APL. In the results, select the stock listing under the Stocks or Equities section so you're working with the underlying you intend to analyze. This ensures the next options step maps to the correct symbol. Open the chart. On the symbol page or from the search results, click Chart to launch the full chart view for that ticker. You should now see the standard price chart with your default time frame and indicators, if any. Wait for the chart to finish loading before moving on. Click the Options tab. Look toward the top area of the chart or the symbol page. You'll see tabs like Overview, News, Financials, and Options. Click Options. This switches the view to the Options section for the same underlying symbol you already have on the chart. If you started from the symbol page instead of the full chart, the Options tab is in the same general top area as the other tabs. Select Expiration Date. An expiration selector will appear, typically as a dropdown or a row of dates. Click the expiration you want to analyze. Picking the correct expiration is important because it determines which contracts and prices load. If you don't immediately see the date you expect, scroll the list or use the arrows to navigate through available weeks and months. Once you choose an expiration, the options data for that date will populate. Choose call or put strike prices. You'll see calls and puts organized by strike. Decide whether you want a call or a put, then select the strike price you want to chart. Click the specific strike so TradingView knows exactly which contract to plot. Take a brief moment to confirm you've selected the right side, call or put, and the exact strike under the expiration you picked. This is the most common place where mistakes happen, so checking here prevents loading the wrong contract. The options chart loads automatically. As soon as you choose the contract, TradingView will generate the options chart for that call or put at the selected strike and expiration. The chart will update without any extra clicks. You may see the options price history, and the timescale and cursor will match your main chart's behavior. If you move your mouse across the chart, the values will update in real time for the option you selected. At this point, you can visually compare how the options price has moved relative to the underlying, and you can reference the expiration and strike in the chart's instrument label to confirm you're looking at the correct contract. If the chart needs a moment, let it finish loading. Once it appears, you're done. You've added an options chart in TradingView by opening your symbols chart, using the Options tab, selecting the expiration date, and choosing the exact call or put strike you want to analyze. From here, any standard chart interactions, like moving the cursor, zooming the timeline, or reading values, will reflect the option you've selected without additional setup. That's it. Your options chart in TradingView is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.